Hello class. Today I will not be continuing with the chapters that I have been doing lately, but what I will be doing is I will be doing the exercises on chapter 1 and 2, which has been told that you may be having a class test, so you ought to know the exercises of your book, how it is to be done. Maybe you people have not done. I'm not seeing many of the students giving any interest towards our online classes. I don't know what you'll be doing for the test. It's up to you. We are giving our best, but what you are doing, it depends on you. So now you have an exercise on page number 8 on the chapter nouns. What it is told that you are given a passage here, and what you have to do is you have to identify the different nouns over here. They have told you to do with a color code, but I don't think it's necessary to be difficult doing like that. So you can make it doing it with a column form, just like I have written, but you write the full form of the nouns. You make a column like this with all the nouns here given, and what you do is accordingly whichever noun comes under which, you just write down their names. Like, shall I start and look into the page number 8? Students, here what is given is deadly, factory under vigil. So here deadly is an abstract noun, you have to put it under abstract noun, and factory under common noun. Then you have Manith Day, that also will come under proper noun. Then you have staff reporter, that comes under common noun. You have Wednesday, that is proper noun. February also proper noun. Then you have West Bengal, that comes under proper noun. So likewise what you will do is, so the different nouns mentioned in this passage, you have to write accordingly under the column mentioned. So now, in an ecological survey comes under common noun, conducted in Southwest Bengal, that also Southwest Bengal is a proper noun. So it has been found that the river water, here river is a common noun and water is a material noun, and turning acidic is a abstract noun due to the waste that is discharged by brooks here is a proper noun. Chemical factory coming under common noun, owned by an Italian couple. Italian is a proper noun and couple is a common noun. Carrie Brook and Mary Brook, the names of course comes under proper noun. The Ganges, the river name, comes under proper noun, that flows into the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal also proper noun. Before its confluence, gathers the chemicals under common noun, that are discharged by this factory we have already written, so no need of repeating it. Now the next para, what you have in a talk with a few employees again common noun, it has been revealed that some people under common noun are also doing hazardous jobs. Hazard comes under abstract noun, jobs common noun. For money again common noun. This is illegal and life threatening is again abstract noun. The factory produces not only plastic jugs, plastic under material noun and jugs under common noun, but has several departments under common noun, that produce jute rugs. Jute is material and rugs is common noun. And sugar syrups both under common noun. A lot of waste again common noun is generated, that is dumped near the mouth of the river. Mouth is the common noun, river we have done already, so no repetition is required. A swarm of flies, here swarm is a collective noun. Flies and mosquitoes of course common noun. Breed on the garbage again common noun, and add to the misery here is abstract noun by causing diarrhea, cholera and malaria, all under common noun. A close vigil comes under abstract noun, is being maintained in the factory. Brooks, wisdom here again is an abstract noun, lies only in talking, eco-friendly measures. Some of these include proper waste disposal, shutting down hazardous jobs and taking adequate measures for prevention of diseases is common noun. The sooner the Brooks realize the problem, the better it is for all. So here we have completed with the nouns that are given in this passage, and so accordingly I want you to do in your notebook in column wise. Now, coming on to page number 9, we have exercise B. So, what you have here is, you are given a list of nouns. What you have to do is, some are countable and some are uncountable. So, what you have to do, you can do this in your book itself with a pencil. Now, I am telling you, if you are ready with your book and pencil, then you can do it just with me just now. So, coming on to the first one, the circle, the ones that cannot be counted, and we have to tick the countable nouns. The furniture here is countable, so you have to tick this, pencil, tick. Then cats, again tick. Juice is circle. Bridge, you have to tick. Data, tick. Air, circle, it's uncountable. Fish, ticket. Adult, you have to circle this. Adulthood, also circle. Information, circle. Wheat, tick. Intelligence, circle. Octopus, tick. Bread, ticket. Butter, circle. Table, tick. Childhood, circle. Sand, circle. Advice, circle. These are all uncountable nouns. Sugar, of course, uncountable, so you have to circle. Rats, ticket. Police officer, tick. Traffic, tick. Sunshine, circle. Moon, tick. Children, tick. Youth, circle. Book, ticket. And courage, uncountable, it's an abstract noun, and you have to circle it. So all abstract nouns are uncountable. Now coming on to the C exercise, what you have to do, underline the nouns in sentences given below, mark them as countable or uncountable. The first one has been done. They have written the nouns in color, red color, and the first one, and the second one, what you have to do is you have to underline the noun and you have to write the line that is given, whether it is a countable noun or uncountable noun. So number 2, perseverance, you have to underline that. Success, underline. Both are uncountable nouns, as both are abstract nouns. Now coming on to number 3, the freshness, underline. Gentle breeze, underline breeze. And fills me with joy, underline joy. So there are 3 uncountable nouns, all are abstract nouns. Coming on to number 4, we can make curd from milk. Curd and milk, both are uncountable. Now you have to underline curd and milk and write down uncountable noun. Next, number 5, can I borrow some books from the library? You have to underline the noun books and library, and both are countable nouns. Coming on to number 6, her performance earned her recognition and fame. So your nouns here are performance, recognition and fame. All the 3 are uncountable nouns. Number 7, the place is stinking with overflowing water from the drain. Here water is uncountable noun and drain is countable. Number 8, why don't you trim your hair? Here, hair is uncountable noun. So here we have done with the C exercise. Now coming on to exercise D, page number 11. So I hope you have opened your books and doing your exercises accordingly as I am telling you. So coming on to the exercise, what you have to do here is spot the errors in the use of collective nouns and rewrite the sentences. So what you have to do is, some errors are there in each line on the kind of collective noun that they have written. There is a mistake. What we have to do is, we have to underline the word and you have to write do the correction in the lines given. So number 2, a herd of geese flew over the lake. So here herd is wrong. Here the collective noun will be gaggle. G-A-G-G-L-E. It will be gaggle of geese. Then number 3, a class of people attacked the police officer. Here the collective noun is class, wrong. Underline class and write the correct word, crowd. The word will be crowd. Number 4, a troop of dancers is performing on the stage. Here, troop, the word is wrong. Troop we use for soldiers. The right word is troop, but the word pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different. The correct spelling of troop of dancers here is T-R-O-U-P-E. So write it down. Number 5, a fleet of birds is flying in the sky. Here, fleet is not the correct word. It is flock of birds. For birds, collectively we call as flock. F-L-O-C-K. Coming on to number 6, a board of sailors is welcoming the guests on the ship. Here, a board word is wrong over here. The correct word is crew. C-R-E-W. Crew. Next, number 7, a litter of wolves attack the hens in the poultry farm. Here, the word litter is wrong. The word will be a pack of wolves. P-A-C-K. The collection of many wolves together we call as pack. Next, number 8, a range of bushes have come up near the river bank. Here, the word range is wrong. Here, it will be a hedge. H-E-D-G-E. Hedge. Now, coming on to the next page, number 12, sentence 9, a ball of dust enveloped us. The word here is ball, wrong word. Here, the correct word is cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud of dust. Then number 10 we were guided by a troop of experts. It's not troop, it's a panel of experts. The word is P-A-N-E-L, panel. So here, completing the D exercise, we now go on to exercise on page number 13, that is E exercise. We have fill in the blanks with the suitable abstract nouns as per the clue in the bracket. The clues are given in the bracket, but the words, there are some changes in the words that we have to make. And coming on to number 2, the first one is done. So coming on to number 2, we have dash. Here, poor. It will be poverty. The abstract noun of poor is poverty. P-O-V-E-R-T-Y. Wherein P will be in capital because it's a starting word in the sentence. Poverty is the main cause of crime. Coming on to number 3, he was punished for his cruelty. C-R-U-E-L-I-T-Y. The word is cruelty. Then number 4, his child, it's not child, it will be childhood memories, still haunt him. Then coming on to number 5, it is my dash. Here the word given in the bracket is please. So the word will be pleasure. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E. It is my pleasure to welcome you on this trip. Now coming on to number 6, students dash. The word here given is safe. The word will be safety. S-A-F-E-T-Y. Student safety is of paramount importance. Then number 7, the Prime Minister's. Here the word given in bracket is speak. The word will be speech. S-P-E-C-H. The Prime Minister's speech mesmerized all. Coming on to number 8, it is difficult to get dash. The word given in bracket is employ. The word will be employment. E-M-P-L-O-Y-M-E-N-T. Employment in this company. So I hope you have covered up this much of exercise A, B, C, D, E. Now coming on to the next page, that is page number 14. Coming on to the next page, that is on page number 14, we have F exercise, that is think of possible combinations to change the words given below into compound nouns. Some words that are given here, you have to change them into compound nouns, whether using a prefix or a suffix. So number 2, you have child. The word is child. So we'll write here childbirth, we'll write childhood or childless. So we have made the 3 compound sentence, and here number 3 we have sun. So we'll make sunglass, we'll make sunscreen, we'll make sunshine. So the 3 words that we made are like this. Number 4, we have air is a word, we'll make it airborne, B-O-R-N-E, airborne, air hostess and aircraft. Number 5, we have friend. We'll write 3 compound sentence using the word that is friendless, friendship and befriend. Befriend is a prefix. Coming on to number 6, we have print. and we'll write the three compound words as footprint, printout and printable. So completing this compound nouns, we come on to the last exercise, that is G. Here a passage is given, some errors are there with the nouns, and now what you have to do is you have to write the incorrect word in the first column, and second column you have to do the correction of that particular noun. So number 1 we have Major Raman is known for his brave is the wrong word. The right word is bravery. Under correct column you have to write bravery. Then he led a crowd of soldiers during, crowd is a wrong collective noun here. Crowd, you have to write army. The correct word is army. Then coming on to number 3, the soldiers displayed fearless and won the battle. The soldiers here displayed fearless is the wrong word. The right word is fearlessness. Then coming on to the 4th, they celebrated that victorious by paying. The victorious is the wrong word. The right word is victory. V-I-C-T-O-R-Y, victory. Paying homage to the martyrs in recognize. Here the right word recognize is the wrong word. The right word is recognition. R-E-C-O-G-N-I-Z-A-T-I-O-N is the right word. Of their sacrifice, a few martyrs have been awarded the Veer Chakra. So here students, we completed with the exercise of chapter 1, but as I mentioned on the board, chapter 2 will be completing chapter 2 exercises in the next class. So till then, goodbye from me. Thank you.